Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the simplest way to crochet hair, especially people who have completely thin hair, not very thick hair, using the best technique ever, and the hair I'm going to be using today, it is completely very light. It doesn't in any way appear to be very heavy, and we are going to be going step by step. So this is the hair we are going to be using. This is Darling Selfie in number 1, or color number 1, meaning that it is completely black. This is very light. Then going in with some coconut oil. Over here I love to take a wholesome of it, pass it through one strand, because I'm going to be dividing it into different pieces so that it's enough. I love to do it, separate them onto a very good surface, such as the chair. And then I'll first of all go in and do my cornrows for my client, as you see over here. So the way how I'm doing these cornrows here, it's that I'm adding in some strands of black threads. So I usually do this for clients who have completely light hair. People with light hair, they get a difficulty, especially when you are crocheting their hair, to be damaged by the needle you are going to be using to crochet hair. But when you add in a little bit of threads, it gives volume to the hair so that you have enough space, and the hair itself also has enough protection so that when you are crocheting it, it is not that much damaged. Yes, so that's what I'm doing currently over here. And also the way how I do the cornrows, it's that I first of all cornrow the front part of it, the whole of the front part, as you are seeing over here, very well. Then after I go to the back side. So for the back side, I start from the tip or the bottom of the head as I go up, as you see over here. This helps me a lot, especially to give dimension to the way how I want my crochets to look and appear. Yes, so this is why I do that. Then after that, to moisturize the scalp, I usually go in with the same coconut oil or Movit hair food. Yes, and then after that I just rotate or combine all the the tipping strands of the various cornrows. Then using a needle and a saw, I just go in and I sew down everything. I do this carefully not to hurt my client. Then using a pair of scissors, I cut off the excess threads. Starting in front of the cornrows, using my crochet needle, I pass it under, grip one of the braids that I'm going to be using, and then rotate 2 times, then I lock. Yes, pass it under, grip the braid, rotate 2 times in and out, then lock. So this is one of the simplest ways to lock hair, because you are very sure that it is very settled, and it is very strong enough to take my client even up to 1.5, even up to 2 months. Yes, so this is what I'm gonna be doing throughout the whole vlog. I'll repeat it once again, as you see. Pass the crochet needle down the cornrow, grip the braid, rotate in and out, then lock. Yes, so this is what I'm going to be doing throughout the whole vlog, and I'll hopefully wish that you see and you observe critically to be able to practice maybe later on the dummies, or actually on a client when you get one.